In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a SharePoint Excel file to Power BI for easy integration. This is a valuable skill to advance your data analysis by leveraging the cloud capabilities of SharePoint and the dynamic reporting features of Power BI. Whether you're a data analyst or a business manager, integrating these two powerful tools will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and data visualization. To kick things off, you'll want to have your visuals prepared. This means ensuring your SharePoint and Excel files are organized, accurate, and ready for data transfer. Good preparation is key to a smooth integration process. Take some time to arrange your data in Excel, making sure the format is consistent and clear. Things like column headers and data types should be uniform to prevent any issues once the data lands in Power BI. Neatness and accuracy at this stage will save you time down the line and help avoid potential complications. Once your visuals are set, proceed to create bookmarks. Within Power BI, bookmarks will help you capture the data view, preserving the current state of your data for easy access later. Head to the View tab in Power BI, and here you'll find the option to add bookmarks. Bookmarks are especially handy if you're dealing with complex datasets, as they allow you to jump back to a specific view with just a click, keeping your workflow streamlined and efficient. The next step is to insert buttons. These will serve as interactive elements within your Power BI reports, enabling users to navigate between different bookmarks or functionalities easily. To insert a button, navigate over to the Insert tab in Power BI, and here you can choose from a variety of button options. Consider how these buttons will be used and position them in a way that's intuitive and accessible in the report layout. It's these little touches in design that can greatly impact user experience when working with interactive reports. Finally, assign actions to those buttons to define their behavior when clicked. This involves linking the buttons to the required bookmarks or actions you want to perform. Click on the button you've added, head to the Action tab, and then assign the specific action, such as navigating to a particular bookmark or executing a predefined task. Take time to test these buttons to ensure they function correctly. An interactive report that's intuitive to use is the result of careful execution and testing. By following these steps meticulously, you'll link your SharePoint Excel file